Question number 19. If the volume of a hemisphere is 19,404 cubic centimeters, its radius is how many centimeters? Volume of a hemisphere. Volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is given as 19,404. This will go for 41 times. R is equal to 21. So answer is C, 21. Question number 20. How many bullets can be made out of a cube of lead whose edge measures 22 centimeter, each bullet being 2 centimeter in diameter? So write down. Number of bullets is equal to volume of the lead by volume of each bullet. Volume of lead by volume of each bullet. Volume of the lead. Bullet is in the form of a sphere. Bullet is in the form of a sphere. Diameter is 2. So radius will be half of the diameter. Diameter is 2. Radius will be half of the diameter. Half of 2 is 1. 1 cube is 1. If you simplify this, you get the answer as C. If you simplify this, you get the answer as C. How many small cubes with edges of 10 centimeter can be accommodated in a cubical box of 1 meter edge? First step, volume of a small cube. First step, volume of a small cube is equal to 1 by 10 whole cube, that is 1 by 100 cubic centimeters. Therefore, number of cubes that can be accommodated. Is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 1000, that is 1 into 1000 by 1, that is 1000. So answer is 1000. Question number 22. The slant height of a conical tank is 77 meters. If its diameter is 28 centimeters, the cost of constructing it at the rate of rupee 1 per cubic meter is rupees. Write down. Curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L. Pi into diameter is given, so radius will be half of the diameter. This is given as 77. 44 into 77, 3388. 44 into 77, 3388. This you multiply by 1 rupee. That is the cost. Answer is 3388. Question number 23. If a sphere's volume is 179 2 by 3 meters, its diameter is how many meters? Sphere's volume. Volume of a sphere. Formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is given as 179 2 by 3. Radius is equal to 3.5. They are asking diameter. So diameter will be double of the radius. Double of 7 is 14. So answer is 14. Double of 7 by 2 is 7. So answer is 7. That is multiple choice C. Question number 24. If the diameter of a cone is 21 centimeters and volume is 1848 cubic centimeters, its perpendicular height is. We have to find out the height. Diameter is given. So radius will be half of the diameter. Radius will be half of the diameter. So answer is 16. That is multiple choice C. If the diameter of a cone is 49 centimeters and its volume is 756 cubic centimeters, its perpendicular height is how many centimeters? Same pattern. Volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, 7546. Diameter is given as 48. Radius will be half of the diameter. If you simplify this, you get the answer as 12. Question number 26. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 6 meters. If its height is 44 meters, its volume is how many cubic meters? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into pi value into r is equal to 6. R is equal to 42 by 44. That is 21 by 22. So volume is equal to pi r square h. Pi value into height is given as 44. Height is given as 44. 126. So answer is 126. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 10 meter. If its height is 110 meters, its volume is how many cubic meters? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into pi value into r. This is given as 10 meters. This is given as 10 meters. So r is equal to 10 into 7 by 44. That is 70 by 44. That is 35 by 22. Therefore, volume is equal to pi r square h. Height is given as 110. If you simplify this, you get the answer as 875. Question number 28. A circular wire of radius 42 centimeters is cut and bent in the form of a rectangle whose sides are in the ratio of 6:5. The smaller side of the rectangle is how many centimeters? Length of the wire is nothing but circumference of the circle. Length of this wire is nothing but circumference of the circle. That is 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r. Radius is given as 42. This is 264. So this is the perimeter. So perimeter is 264. What is perimeter? 2 into L plus B. What is perimeter? 2 into L plus B. Therefore, length is equal to 264 by 2 into 6 plus 5 into 6, and breadth is equal to 264 into 2 into 6 plus 5 into 5. So length is 72, breadth is 60. They are asking breadth, so answer will be 60. That is multiple choice C. Question number 29. If the volume of two cubes are in the ratio of 8:125, the ratio of their edges of surface area is R. So write down ratio of the sides. Question number 29. Ratio of the sides. That is 2:5. Therefore, ratio of the surface areas. Therefore, ratio of the surface areas is equal to 2 square is to 5 square. that is 4 is to 25. 2 square is to 5 square, that is 4 is to 25. So answer is 4 is to 25. That is multiple choice A.